Spurgeon here with RevZilla, and in this video we are going to break down the D3o LP1 Armor, available at RevZilla.com. So what you're going to see is a new D3o Armor designed in correlation with RVZilla, and this is going to be a direct replacement for the old T5 Armor. Now, if you're looking at my left paw, this is the old T5. If you're looking at my right paw, this is the new LP1. And really what you're getting is a much better ventilating D3o Armor. It's going to allow a lot more air to pass through, allowing much more breeze to cool you down, and it's also going to allow a lot more heat to evaporate off of your body. If you're looking at these side by side, what you're going to notice is that all the old small little holes on the traditional T5 don't allow much air to pass through at all. And what you're going to see on the new LP1, which simply stands for Limb Protector 1, is going to be a CE rated 1 armor with much more ventilation. So from a construction standpoint, this is still temperature stable D3o. This is still CE1 rated. It is just going to give you that same level of CE1 protection, but in a much more breathable package. And this is going to be available for all of your regular T5 replacement areas, so your elbows, your shoulders, hip, and knee. And then there is going to be a chest protector as well, which is CP1, chest protector 1, so you can upgrade all the different areas of your armor with the new LP1. Now, when you're looking at the elbows, the shoulders, the knee, and the hip, you're coming around the $40 price point. If you're looking at the chest protector, that's going to be right around the $50 price point. But again, same CE level protection, just a much more breathable version. If you've ever worn D3o in the past, you know that it sometimes tends to be a little bit hot, a little bit sweaty in the summer months. This is aimed at eliminating that problem. So there's a lot of folks out there that have already utilized D3o Armor on their rides, and if you want to hear more about what they have to say about their upgrades to the new LP1, now would be the time to click the info button on your desktop or mobile device, which will allow you to read other rider reviews from folks that are already converting over their old T5s to this new LP1 system. If you're still not sure about whether or not this armor is going to work for you, your jacket, your riding style, you can give one of our gear geeks a call at 877-792-9455 or simply shoot over an email to cs@RevZilla.com. Thank you for joining us for this look at the new D3o LP1. I'm Spurge. Enjoy the ride.